Hi guys, how you doing? Thank you so much for clicking. So in today's video I'm going to try on this beautiful wig. This style was actually requested by a client, and I just want you to comment down below, guys, if you love this style, if you love the color, and if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one. I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I'll make it for you. So that was it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you're interested in this wig or any of my wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I'll make it for you. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.